Hey, it's Coach Colin at Centerline Fitness and Martial Arts, and I'm here to show you part 6 of the Rising Horse series. This is called Pulsing Horse. So it's similar to how we're going to set up for Rocking Horse, but exactly how we get into it, and what we do when we get there is going to be a little different. So I'm going to, again, start in that floating tabletop position. That's my baseline position here. So dial that in before you transition between any part of the series. Then pop my feet a little wider than my shoulders like I did for the rocking horse. I'm gonna walk back like I did for the rocking horse, but now I'm gonna put my fingertips down on the floor between my arches. Okay. Then I'm gonna very mindfully lift up my spine to lift my fingertips off the floor. Send my knees out. Sit into my legs, elbows down, shoulders relaxed. Get to your good bottom position, sit up tall. Then I'm going to drop into it, drop into my legs, and then activate my glutes by pressing my heels into the floor to pulse up and down just like 2 inches. So we do this typically 10 times. Nice relaxed breathing, nice posture. Pulsing. And then when we're done, we go back into that tabletop position. All right, so this has been the Pulsing Horse, part 6 of the Rising Horse series.